Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating the structure, open the Google Sheets app and make a blank file. Once open, add clear headers, date, student name, present, use a checkbox, time and notes so entries are consistent. Next, insert checkboxes for the present column using Insert Right Arrow Checkbox. This gives you quick true/false input. Make sure you set the date column format to a short date and widen columns for mobile readability. Doing this first saves time and avoids messy edits later. Once your layout exists, make entry faster and more reliable. Use a time capture formula in the time column, for example, an IF formula that writes now, when present is true, ensuring you keep a timestamp. Also add data validation dropdowns for class, status, or period to avoid typos. Freeze the header row so you can scroll student lists and apply alternating row colors to scan attendance quickly. These steps reduce errors and let you take attendance on the move with fewer taps. Finish by sharing and protecting the sheet. Tap Share, choose editors versus viewers, and restrict link access so only your class can edit. Make a backup copy and enable offline access in the Drive app. That prevents data loss if Wi-Fi drops. Finally, test one row end-to-end. Check the box, confirm time appears, and adjust column widths. If something goes wrong, force a sync by closing and reopening the app, refresh the sheet, or toggle the checkbox to retrigger formulas. That usually fixes common mobile issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.